All right, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Warhorse of Camp Hill. Today we have a very special video for you guys. We're gonna be unboxing a limited edition Elvis Presley Triumph motorcycle. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, we got Colby Jack helping us today at Warhorse. Teener Wieners, I don't know. It's a cheese and his name's Colby. Colton?
Colby Jack is a cheese?
Yeah, you've heard of Colby Jack cheese. It's actually fantastic. It's like a mix between cheddar and Swiss, I think. I don't even know.
No idea.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna help him. Whoa, this is interesting. Not what I was expecting. I thought it was red.
It is.
Oh, it's just covered.
It's covered.
Ah, I see. So there's a really interesting story about this bike. It started off as it's a T100 or
120.
T120 Triumph Bonneville, which is weird because it's a 1200 RT, whatever the hell that means. Look at that, Elvis Presley right there,
Signature.
with his name in lights as well. So there is some pretty cool story about this. Apparently, back in 1965, Elvis went and bought him and a bunch of his friends Triumph motorcycles. Yeah, were they Bonnevilles or just different models?
Triumphs.
Different model Triumphs.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. But apparently the bikes that he bought them were all like, what, 80 some horsepower-ish? I guess back in the day that was quite a bit. I was gonna say, what are your friends, a bunch of pussies? Like, what do you, why not just buy them some scooters, you know what I mean?
It looks better than a scooter.
No, it does. This is like the classic, when you think of like motorcycle, this is like the classic, the Bonneville is like the classic motorcycle. I think even like Steve McQueen, the Daredevilist that used to ride bikes, I'm pretty sure he rode a Triumph as well. I think it was a Bonneville, like a souped up different type of Bonneville, I think. But this is like the classic like motorcycle, if you think about that. And then we did some other Triumph unboxings. We did that Cafe Racer, that was really cool. And then we did that, was it a Speed Triple Moto 2 edition? That one was actually really cool as well. That got like 300,000 views, yeah.
Jaret's grandma's birthday is the same
Yes.
as Elvis.
Yep.
And she's obsessed with Elvis.
She is.
She actually had a 70th birthday Elvis themed
It was
party.
we had an Elvis impersonator.
And there was an impersonator.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm all
And
shook
she's
up.
got like cup holders that are Elvis. She loves
Yeah.
Elvis, so
It's pretty cool.
we'll have to show some photos of this.
Yeah, I think I'm very interested to see what this looks like. And I guess they did some graphics on it that were modeled after one of the iconic Elvis shows. So I'll explain that once we get it unboxed. All right, so while Colby Jack's unboxing the bike, well, taking it apart, getting all the boring stuff out of the way, I wanted to remind you I am doing a giveaway still. I'm just waiting on this part right here in carbon fiber, and it should be here hopefully by the end of this month, Manny said. And once that arrives, then we're gonna take this whole entire bike apart and it's gonna become carbon fiber, like the back end. So if you guys want to be entered to win this bike and help support this project, patreon.com/CampPC Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. I promise once this bike is done, it's going to be absolutely incredible. And there's less than 300 people signed up right now. So your odds of winning are absolutely insane. The best they've ever been in the build series ever. And this still could be maybe the last build series bike that I ever do. I'm not sure. We're gonna decide after it's done. So yeah, if you wanna own a Campisi Customs motorcycle, this might be your last chance. So head on over to Patreon, get signed up, and you could win this beauty when it's done. Also, they have a sick setup of Diablos in here. A base red Diablo. They've got a stealth yellow. It's called Dark Stealth Diablo. This looks absolutely incredible. And then they have an X Diablo, which is my personal favorite, in the burning red. It looks so good. I love that shade of red. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous bike. And they have even more Diablos, if you can believe it, over here. They have a Bentley edition Diablo. I think they're like 70, 80, 90 grand. I don't even know how much they are. I don't know what they're asking for this one. It is available for sale if you're interested. I am gonna do a whole video walk around of this bike in the future and what makes it so special. They also have a Supreme Street Fighter. I've already featured that in one of my videos. Very interesting bike. They are limited edition. It's here, it's available. This one's also here. It's also available. It's also limited edition. I think it's 50 or 60 grand for that one. Tricolore, one side green, one side red. Very cool bike. And then I will remind you guys, my Lamborghini Street Fighter is here at Warhorse at Camp Hill, and it is still available for sale. I've had some offers. They weren't quite as high as I wanted them to be, so I'm just waiting. I'm not in a hurry, but if somebody wants it, let me know. It's got $15,000 worth of mods from Moto Million on it, and it is an absolutely gorgeous bike. I might keep it, maybe. We'll just see what happens if I don't ever really get the number that I want to get out of it. I might just roll the bitch home and put it in the garage and so I can stare at it every day. But yeah, it is here, it's available. If you're interested, hit them up and tell them. And actually, one last thing I'll show you guys is the Triumph Bonnevilles, which is what the Elvis Presley edition is based off of. And dude, honestly, there was a point in my life where I wanted to buy one of these, and you can do like bobbed out versions of them, and they're super cool. Just like, again, the classic, iconic motorcycle look that so many famous people have driven and throughout the years. So this one's actually like the same color as your GLE, like a gray metallic. They do all kinds of really nice colors. They're just a great bike. They're like 14 grand, 15 grand. The seats are really beautiful. They do really nice paintwork on the tanks. You've got the iconic, like retro style dual gauges that are analog, which I actually like, and they have some digital features in there as well. But yeah, it's just like a classic, no nonsense motorcycle. I think they're air cooled twins, making around 80, 90 horsepower. I think they're really cool bikes. What do you think of these teens? Do you like them?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, they're cool bikes. They're just super nice.
Comfortable.
Is it comfortable? Yeah.
Riding them around.
I think they're
Touch the ground. They're comfortable.
Yeah, easy to ride.
Not a lot on my wrist.
You're gonna get a lot of wind though. That's the one thing. You can put wind.
But like cruising around.
Yeah, they're great
the
city
beach,
bikes. Yes,
city,
yes.
yeah.
You wouldn't really want to be doing long highway miles on them. But yeah, so here's a couple of different Triumph Bonnevilles. Their black has always been very popular with the brown seat. That is super cool. So yeah, we'll see what the Elvis edition changes in order to make it the Elvis edition. All right, perfect timing. They just rolled it out of the crate, and Teens is gonna do the honors of removing. Let's see this limited edition Elvis Presley Bonneville T120. That's actually beautiful. I love the red with the silver and the gold pinstriping. Very, very cool. Oh, I like the seat too. Black with the white pin around the outside. And you got the Elvis Presley down here. Is there a number somewhere? Oh, it is.
Seats, yeah.
Look at that.
925, 375.
375 out of
Actually a good
925. Yeah, that is good.
With his signature.
With the Elvis Presley signature. That is super cool. Look at that. So this is available here at Warhorse at Camp Hill. It's actually a 25 model that they just had sitting somewhere and found.
I like the Elvis in like what would be lights.
Yeah, isn't it from one of his shows that he did?
Yep.
That's actually super cool. And did you want to read some of those stats?
Yeah, I need to fill this out.
Yeah, we'll wait until we finish this. But yeah, there's your first look at the Elvis edition Triumph T120 that is here available at Warhorse of Camp Hill if you're interested. And it comes with like some cool stuff as well, like a certificate of authenticity. Yeah, and like it's like a little cool like record looking gold record, I think. Yeah, we'll find it. I'm sure it came with the bike in the box. But yeah, there's an initial, the fender is super cool, just like very retro throwback, but you still get all the new age goodies, you know, your traction control, your ABS. I think there's some rider modes as well. I don't believe it has a quick shifter, but I could be wrong on that. I think I'm gonna let them completely prep this thing, and then we can start it up. Maybe I'll just drive it around the building here and see how it feels. But
Seat off?
why are you pulling the seat off?
Stuck on it.
Oh, okay, yeah, go ahead. So if you guys didn't see my latest video, I took delivery of my new Mercedes AMG GT63. This is a car that I actually was able to spec. So Hyperblue Magno with the night package, and then I did crystal white diamond stitch interior. So I'm showing all the boys at the shop the new ride. So what do you guys think? This is better than the R8, or you like the R8 better?
By far.
You like this better? You like this better? You like it better?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And they haven't even really ridden in it yet. So once I get the break-in complete, I told them I'll bring it over and take them all out for rides and shit. Yeah. Okay, so we pulled up information on this bike because it was too much to remember for me to try to read it or remember off the top of my head.
So the colors is the rich carnival red and the aluminum silver.
Okay.
And the reason is that it pays homage to the desert sled motorcycle that he rode in the 1968 comedy western film Stay Away Joe.
Okay.
So that's fun fact number one.
All right.
Second fun fact is the Memphis Mafia inspiration.
Uh-huh.
So the design celebrates Elvis's famous impulse to buy, which Jaret said in 1965.
Yeah.
In 2 days, he bought 9
All his
motorcycles
friends.
for all his close friends. The bike features in the front on the mud guard,
The mud hugger.
the taking care of business in a flash, which is a logo. an emblem that he famously used for the Memphis Mafia.
Okay.
I wondered what the hell is the Memphis
Right.
Mafia?
We were wondering if
Was
it was
he part of a
actual mafia.
group or
Yeah.
something? So it's the name that his group was given, close friends, cousins, bodyguards that basically surrounded him as a
Always
way
hung
to
out with him.
protect him and give him companionship, friendship.
Friends of his,
yeah.
cousins.
From the 1950s until he died in
Yeah.
77, I think.
That was the Memphis Mafia.
That was the Memphis Mafia.
Where's our mafia teens?
We don't have one.
We need a crew.
We
need
got
it's the
the
cat.
cats
It's the
and the
cats.
raccoons.
It's the
Yeah.
cat crew.
Yeah.
I love it. So that's super cool. So they're just looking for a battery because normally you have to soak the batteries that come. This is all part of the PDI process. I just make them speed it up whenever I'm here so I can film. Hey, look, there's an AW in there. That's like a little Easter egg. I don't even know what that is. AW. What could that?
Memphis Mafia was also coined in 1960 by Las Vegas.
I'm curious if you guys like Elvis. If you guys are an Elvis fan, I do like Elvis. I probably like Johnny Cash a little bit more, but Elvis definitely has some good music, especially for his time. If you guys like Elvis, let me know down in the comment section below. And let me know also what you guys think of this bike. All right, well, I wanted to start the Elvis bike up for you guys, but unfortunately the battery that came with it wasn't charged, and they don't have any other ones that they can throw in there, and I just don't feel like waiting. So for now, we're gonna rev a different Triumph Bonneville T120, and it should sound exactly the same.
Let's show them what it looks like
When you turn it on? Yeah, so
I like
here you
this
go.
part where it goes
All
whoop.
this, I do like that too. I actually really like the dashboards on these. So this one's also available. The Elvis bike's also available. So 89 horsepower, parallel twin.
How do you know if the bike's
In neutral? Well, it won't let you start it, but just reach down there and just. So that's gear. There's neutral. That's weird. It doesn't have a neutral light?
have a neutral light. Okay.
You might have to pull the clutch in to rev it. Let's see what happens. See if it starts.
Oh, there it is.
So now it's showing?
That's neutral. It's because it was off. So
Ah.
there it is.
So I did get a neutral. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Might have to pull the clutch. It's very similar to, actually, is this the same engine? Yeah, it is. This was the other Cafe Racer unboxing, limited edition. I actually love the paint scheme on that. So it's the same engine. Yeah, so it should be essentially the same thing. So there's a little idle for you. It's a brand new bike, so we're not gonna rev it too hard. We wanna let it warm up a little bit, and then she can do some blitz for us. So you can picture the Memphis Mafia boys, Elvis and his crew. Yeah, riding around on these.
The Triumph fan, but
They're nice bikes.
they're actually really
I think they
nice,
make
yeah.
great bikes. Everything about their whole product lineup. I was telling her their shirts they make.
The sound of its stock.
It's fine.
Honestly, I think sounds better than its stock.
Yeah, a lot of stock bikes.
Yeah.
It sounds better than a lot of stock bikes. So that's it. That's the Elvis bike unboxing. Obviously this isn't it. It's in the back still. All right, so that is it for the Elvis Edition Triumph. Actually a really cool little bike. It's limited edition. It's here. It's available at Warhorse of Camp Hill, right around $15K for this bad boy. It's got a lot of cool quirks and features. If you're an Elvis fan or a music lover, this could potentially be the bike for you. And if you do buy it and you saw my video, please mention my name. It helps us out down here at Warhorse of Camp Hill. And if you want anything else at the store, you can mention my name, Campisi, and save yourself some money. Don't forget about the bike builds, giveaways. Yeah, I think it's a cool bike. I really do. I was hoping to ride it around a little bit today, but maybe once they get it up and running, I'll take it out in a future video. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.